round up. At Melbourne, partly cloudy skies, temperature 75, dew point 72, humidity 90%, wind southwest at 6 miles per hour. Pressure 30.01 inches and rising. Elsewhere. Titusville, partly cloudy. 79, wind southwest at 5 miles per hour. At Patrick Air Force Base, it was partly cloudy. West wind at 10 miles per hour. The pressure was 29.99 inches and rising. Cape Canaveral, partly cloudy. 78, wind west at 7 miles per hour. At Kennedy Space Center, partly cloudy, 77 degrees, southwest wind at 3 miles per hour. In Vero Beach, it was mostly cloudy, temperature 76, wind southwest at 8 miles per hour. In Fort Pierce, mostly cloudy, 75, wind southwest at 5 miles per hour. Stewart, partly cloudy, 75. Orlando, mostly cloudy, temperature 77, wind west at 6 miles per hour. Daytona Beach, partly cloudy, 75, wind west at 7 miles per hour. Leesburg, partly cloudy, 77, wind west at 3 miles per hour. Ocala, clear, 73, calm. Gainesville, clear, 71, wind west at 7 miles per hour. Jacksonville, partly cloudy, 73, wind, calm. Tampa, mostly cloudy, 80, wind north at 5 miles per hour. Miami, cloudy, 78, wind west at 6 miles per hour. The latest marine reports. At the buoy 13 nautical miles northeast of Ponce Inlet, air temperature 81 degrees, west wind at 10 knots. At the buoy 13 nautical miles northeast of Ponce Inlet, water temperature 84, seas 2 feet with a period of 3 seconds. Scripps Buoy 4 miles east of Port Canaveral, water temperature 80, seas 1 foot with a period of 8 seconds. At the buoy 125 nautical miles east of New Smyrna Beach, air temperature 81 degrees and water temperature is 85, seas 3 feet with a period of 8 seconds. At the buoy 20 nautical miles east of Cape Canaveral, air temperature 81 degrees and water temperature is 84. Seas 2 feet with a period of 8 seconds. At the buoy 6 nautical miles northeast of Fort Pierce Inlet, water temperature 81, seas 2 feet with a period of 2 seconds. Settlement Point on Grand Bahama Island, air temperature 77 degrees, wind northwest at 9 knots. Marine forecast for the following: coastal waters from the Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles. Today, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming south 10 to 15 knots this afternoon. Seas 2 feet. Wave detail, southeast 2 feet at 3 seconds and east 1 foot at 7 seconds. A moderate chop on the intracoastal waters. A slight chance of showers this morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Tonight, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Wave detail, southeast 2 feet at 4 seconds and east 2 feet at 8 seconds. Mostly smooth on the intracoastal waters. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Saturday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 feet. Wave detail, east 2 feet at 8 seconds and southeast 1 foot at 3 seconds. A light chop on the intracoastal waters. A slight chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, east 3 feet at 8 seconds. Mostly smooth on the intracoastal waters. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Sunday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, east 3 feet at 8 seconds. Mostly smooth on the intracoastal waters. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon, then a slight chance of thunderstorms. A slight chance of showers after midnight. Monday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 feet. Wave detail, east 3 feet at 9 seconds. Mostly smooth on the intracoastal waters. A chance of showers. Tuesday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Mostly smooth on the intracoastal waters. A chance of showers. Winds and waves higher in and near thunderstorms. Marine forecast. For the following, waters from the Volusia Brevard County line to Sebastian Inlet extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Today, south winds around 10 knots, becoming 10 to 15 knots late. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, southwest 2 feet at 4 seconds and east 2 feet at 7 seconds. A chance of showers this morning. A slight chance of thunderstorms until late afternoon. A slight chance of showers early this afternoon, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms late. Tonight, south winds 10 to 15 knots, diminishing to 5 to 10 knots after midnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, south 2 feet at 4 seconds and east 2 feet at 8 seconds. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Saturday, south winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, east 3 feet at 8 seconds and south 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Saturday night, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 feet. Wave detail, east 3 feet at 8 seconds and south 1 foot at 4 seconds. A slight chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the evening, then showers likely after midnight. Sunday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Wave detail, east 4 feet at 9 seconds. A chance of showers. Monday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet. Wave detail, east 4 feet at 9 seconds and northwest 1 foot at 4 seconds. A chance of showers. Tuesday, southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Seas 3 feet. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. A chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon, then a slight chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely after midnight. Winds and seas higher in and near thunderstorms. Gulf Stream hazards, none. The approximate location of the west wall of the Gulf Stream based on the real-time ocean forecast system as of Thursday, July 11th. 46 nautical miles east of Ponce Inlet. 30 nautical miles east of Port Canaveral. 23 nautical miles east of Sebastian Inlet. 15 nautical miles east of Fort Pierce Inlet. 10 nautical miles east of St. Lucie Inlet. The latest available surf temperatures as of Thursday. Daytona Beach was 83 degrees, the Port Canaveral buoy was 81 degrees, Fort Pierce was 81 degrees, and Jensen Beach was 83 degrees. Here is the tide information. Daytona Beach shores, Sunglow Pier. Low tide Friday at 7:06 a.m. High tide Friday at 1:20 p.m. Low tide Friday at 7:36 p.m. High tide Saturday at 1:27 a.m. Port Canaveral. Low tide Friday at 7:08 a.m. High tide Friday at 1:15 p.m. Low tide Friday at 7:24 p.m. High tide Saturday at 1:18 a.m. Sebastian Inlet Bridge. Low tide Friday at 7:10 a.m. High tide Friday at 1:08 p.m. Low tide Friday at 7:27 p.m. High tide Saturday at 1:18 a.m. Fort Pierce Inlet, South Jetty. Low tide Friday at 7:16 a.m. High tide Friday at 1:25 p.m. Low tide Friday at 7:33 p.m. High tide Saturday at 1:35 a.m. The Melbourne Climate Summary for yesterday, July 11th, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 83 degrees. The normal high is 90. The record high is 97 degrees, which was last set in 2010. Yesterday's low temperature was 77 degrees. The normal low is 74. The record low is 68 degrees, which was last set in 1995. 0.02 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 1.24 inches. This is 1.09 inches below the normal amount of 2.33 inches for July. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 15.74 inches, which is 6.81 inches below normal. Sunrise today is at 6:35 a.m. and sunset is at 8:22 p.m. Tropical weather outlook. Issued at 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of Mexico, off the South Carolina coast, a broad area of low pressure located about 100 miles off the coast of South Carolina continues to produce disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Strong upper-level winds should limit any development of this system before it moves inland over South Carolina and North Carolina later today. However, the disturbance could contribute to areas of heavy rainfall and possible flash flooding across coastal portions of the Carolinas and the mid-Atlantic through tonight. For more information about the potential for heavy rainfall, see products issued by the Weather Prediction Center and your local National Weather Service office. Formation chance through 48 hours, low, near 0%. Formation chance through 7 days, low, near 0%. Serving Melbourne and vicinity, this is NOAA weather radio station WXJ70, the voice of the National Weather Service. This broadcast comes to you from the National Weather Service office in Melbourne, Florida, on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. A required weekly test of the NOAA weather radio public warning system is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected, this test will be postponed until the following day. The current time is 7:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This hazardous weather outlook is for East Central Florida. Day 1, today and tonight. Thunderstorm impact. Scattered lightning storms are forecast this afternoon and evening, with the greatest coverage occurring from Orange to Brevard counties southward. The main storm hazards will be frequent lightning strikes, gusty winds of 40 to 50 miles per hour, and locally heavy rainfall. Due to slower moving storms, minor localized flooding of low-lying areas and roadways will be possible today. Rip current, surf impact. There is a moderate risk of dangerous rip currents at all Central Florida Atlantic beaches. Remember to swim near a lifeguard and never swim alone. Days 2 through 7, Saturday through Thursday. Scattered lightning storms will be possible each afternoon and evening through the weekend and into mid-next week. Greatest coverage will be across the interior where boundary collisions between the sea breezes and outflows are forecast to occur. Storms will be capable of producing frequent lightning strikes, gusty winds, and locally heavy rainfall. At least a moderate risk of dangerous rip currents will continue at area beaches into mid-next week. Excessive heat is expected over the weekend with a moderate to major heat-at-risk Saturday and moderate to extreme heat-at-risk Sunday. Afternoon high temperatures in the upper 80s to mid-90s will combine with high humidity to result in heat index values between 105 to 108 through at least Saturday and Sunday. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed today and tonight. The forecast for the Melbourne NOAA weather radio listening area. Today, partly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the late morning and early afternoon, then showers likely late in the afternoon and towards sunset. Highs in the lower 90s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour becoming south late in the afternoon and towards sunset. Chance of rain 60%. Heat index readings up to 102. Tonight, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the late evening and early morning. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Saturday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms late in the afternoon and towards sunset. Highs in the lower 90s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index readings up to 104. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms. A chance of showers in the late evening and early morning, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 40%. Sunday, partly sunny with a chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the late morning and early afternoon, then a chance of thunderstorms late in the afternoon and towards sunset. Highs in the lower 90s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Heat index readings up to 104. Sunday night, partly cloudy. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the late evening and early morning. Lows in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 20%. Monday, partly sunny. A slight chance of showers and thunderstorms in the late morning and early afternoon, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms late in the afternoon and towards sunset. Highs in the lower 90s. Chance of rain 50%. The 7 a.m. weather roundup. At Melbourne, partly cloudy skies, temperature 75, dew point 72, humidity 90%, wind southwest at 6 miles per hour. Pressure 30.01 inches and rising. Elsewhere. Titusville, partly cloudy. 79, wind southwest at 5 miles per hour. At Patrick Air Force Base,